Yes, we can do all the conversion within 3ds Max. No need to go to Google or bring out your calculator and apply the formula to do the conversion. So I'm creating a rectangle here and I'll apply extrude and height. So the example is how we do it in 3ds Max. Um, let's say I have a value of 3 meter. Okay. So the way I do in Max is I enter 3 and then M for meter and just enter. So it will automatically convert and give me the value in centimeter, that is 300 centimeter. So for example, if your boss or if your client has given you the value in a different unit, let's say 15 inch, okay? So if I enter 15 inch, for inch, I will enter the quotation mark here, 15 quotation mark and enter, and this is the value it all automatically converted for me, that is 38.1 centimeter. So if I show you here in Google, okay, so the conversion here is inch to centimeter. So if I enter 15 5 sorry 15, so the answer is 38.1. and if I go to my Max, you can see 38.1. So 3ds Max is smart enough to convert it for me. I just have to tell the value with the unit and it will convert it for me. So I hope it benefited you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon. See you next time. Bye bye.